This is a live look inside of my Amazon Seller Central account, showing my sales for the week of September the 2nd through September the 8th, where I sold over $54,000 in products. And as far as profit goes, the profit margin on that was over $15,000 or 28%. And that includes all the money spent on the product, on shipping, any advertising, and even the few refunds that I got during that same time period.
In this video, we're going to show you the first step to building your own business just like that one. We're also going to introduce you to 3 people that started just where you are and have gone on to build multi-million-dollar businesses in a very short period of time.